Welcome at Road to Detailing. In this quick and short video, you will see a real-time, step-by-step demonstration of Colourlock Strong leather cleaner demonstrating by Peter from OCD Detailing. Peter is about to clean the leather seats of the Volkswagen Golf R and showing a 50-50 at the end, but in case you have missed that episode where we were featuring this car, make sure to catch up after this one. As you can see, step number 1. Remove any loose dirt off the surface, especially from the nooks and crevices, so you won't push them further in the leather. In this case, Peter uses an air gun connected to a compressor. Probably you can do this step with a hoover also, just make sure to be very careful and use the safest attachment that doesn't cause any unwanted damage on the leather. Also, take your time with each and every steps during this process and try not to rushing things or cut corners. If you are more into leather care, like restoration, paint and other kind of stuff, make sure to check out Peter's channel where he shares valuable tips, tricks and how-to videos. Okay, so once the leather clean from loose dirt, step number 2. Put some leather cleaner from the foamer onto a dedicated brush and don't apply the foam directly on the surface. Then, clean the leather from seam to seam where you use circular motions and try to avoid any pressure, let the brush do its job. At the seam, you can use a few straight movements where you can follow the line of the seam. Once you covered an area, put more foam on the brush and keep moving on. In case of leather cleaning, using a small foamer like this is very important because that atomizes the liquid. Furthermore, it helps to reduce the risk of fully wetting then hardening the leather. Use a small amount at once and repeat this step if necessary. Step number 3. Remove dirty foam residue with a slightly moistened or a special leather cleaner cloth. During this step, you can see how much dirt was removed at step number 2. If you are enjoying this video so far, please hit the like button, that would help to reach other people on YouTube. Step number 4, aka final step, is drying. Peter uses the air gun to speed up the process here, but yet again, if you don't have one, no worries, simply give it a few minutes and allow the leather to fully air dry. Now, you can see a big difference between a clean versus an oily and greasy leather. Always do a test spot before use any chemicals, and remember, catch up on the Volkswagen Golf R video that I put the link up on screen just right now. If you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, thanks for being here, take care and see you soon.